Okay, we are headed to the Ozarks. The Ozarks. It's like the show
that you don't even watch.
That I don't even watch. But we're gonna go because there's some trails and there's some snow. So we're really gonna see how this thing goes.
Yeah.
Yeah. See you guys there. I got my Patagonia. They won't leave me alonia.
Oh no.
Bye. All right, I think the consensus is that this is freezing rain. Frozen rain. It's pretty cool looking. But we're eating it up. I hope this turns into snow at some point. We'll see. All right, so we were driving in this snow and freezing rain and sleet, and all of a sudden, it did it once, then it came back, but the whole entire radar cruise system stopped working. And it won't even let me get off the page of the notification of the fact that it's not working. I don't know if some ice got on it or on the sensor in the front or what's going on, or if it's too cold, it's about 35 degrees, or if it just can't see through all this snow and sleet, if it's a safety thing. You guys let me know in the comments to see what this could be. You know, the truck only has, 7,900 miles on it basically, and had no issues with this until we came to this bad weather. So I'm thinking it's the bad weather's fault, but is it a safety thing because the visibility's bad and the radar can't cut through it, which is probably what I think is the first my first guess. And I think that might be an actual safety measure. That's why it says C manual. Hopefully that's what it is, and it's not like broken or frozen over or something. All right, you guys let me know. Bye. Yeah, this is crazy. So we found out, it says it on there. It says the radar system is blocked. So I don't think we need to get out and clean it off because there's no point. It's just going to get blocked again. So this is something to know, that if you have this radar guided cruise control stuff, it's not going to work if stuff gets caked on it, Anyways, the truck still drives, so we're okay. So this is why the radar cruise doesn't work. It's iced over. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of ice. And it just caked on that, nothing else. Amazing. Fixed it. Snow is pretty good. It's actually on the side of the road. If you see in the median, there's actual snow. So the Tundra is gonna have its first snow. And the Ozarks on the Frog Bayou Trail. This is amazing.
Tell me what you want, never boy, it feels so good, it can't be legal. Call a lawyer, better yet, call a doctor. They imposter, stealing saucer, we in flying saucer. Be quiet, don't wake the monster. Stay with me.